Good day, fellow investors. Our stock of the week is lululemon athletica. Now, this one has the potential to yield 100% returns or more in the coming year, or maybe even years, but I believe it won't take more than a year. Now, Lululemon is a clothing company that started in Canada and spread to the United States, all over the states of the United States. The company was founded by Chip Wilson, and it is currently run by him. This guy is a serial entrepreneur, specifically in the clothing industry. He has started clothing companies during the 80s and 90s, and he sold them. He started a company in the 90s, and he sold it, which means this was the most important company before Lululemon. He sold it in 97 and then went on to start Lululemon. And in 2005, he brought in an investor and significantly increased the company's activity and expanded to the United States. And this guy knows what he's doing. He's running it today. That's one of the reasons why this company is so attractive, because it is run by one man who is very passionate about the business. This company has a cult following of customers. Lululemon was started off as a company that was meant for the sector of surfers and sports people and stuff like that. So it has a very loyal customer base in the United States that follow the company and like it. So it's like a cult to them. It's not just a clothing company, it's an institution, which is also another good reason to buy this company. As we can see, the revenue of the company is steadily increasing over time, which is great for any company and a clothing company. This is what we want to see. We can see that during the last 10 years, the revenue of the company has grown more than 6 times, which is very, very good news. Also, the earnings per share for the company the forward earnings per share is under $10, which is also a very good sign and one of my requirements to invest in a company. We can see that the balance sheet of the company is very stable. They have low debt in regards to their assets, and their equity is increasing over time, which is a very good sign of management and managing the capital and the dividends and the buybacks and all of those stuff. This is the equity of the company. As we can see, it is rising over time very steadily. It is rising all the time, which indicates the management of the company is very good and the company is very stable. Another important standard that I require in the companies that I invest is volatility. Volatility is excellent for the long-term investor. Okay, this is how we make the money, through volatility. If a company has good balance sheet, has good earnings reports, and makes a lot of money, it's a good thing. But if the company is very involatile, it's like the price is not moving, it's very hard to make money in the short term. Of course, you can hold it in the long term if you are a very big investor, but for us small investors, waiting 5, 10 years to receive a good return on investment, it's just too long. So as we can see, this company has a very high volatility, which is excellent for us. Excellent for us. Combining that with the good fundamentals of the company makes this a very attractive investment to invest your money in. As of today, in August 2025, interest rates are supposed to be cut in the next month, let's say, which is a very positive news for this company, because the cutting of the interest rates will uh, increase the flooding of capital into the markets and will make the consumer stronger, which will allow it to spend more and buy more clothes, and this will positively affect the company and its revenue. So that's it for today. This is the company that we review. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.